Your kitchen counter tells a story before you even crack a single egg. It reveals whether you are a weekend hobbyist or a dedicated flour-dusted professional. Choosing between these two legendary mixer brands is a massive fork in the road for your culinary journey. One brand is all about that iconic aesthetic and timeless appeal. It is a design masterpiece that has barely changed in decades for a very good reason. The other brand focuses on raw strength and massive capacity above all else. You see the first one in every designer home magazine. It sits there proudly in shades of pistachio green or empire red. It is the absolute gold standard for everyday baking. It uses a simple tilt-head design that anyone can master in seconds. This makes it the perfect partner for whipping up a batch of chocolate chip cookies or a light sponge cake on a lazy Saturday morning. But there is a ceiling to what it can do safely. If you try to force it through a heavy, dry pizza dough, you might hear the mortar start to groan. That is exactly where the rival brand steps in to take over. This is a machine built for the heavy hitters of the baking world. It looks industrial and sleek and modern. It does not try to be cute or fit into a vintage kitchen theme. It is there to do a job. The mortar inside is a total beast. It can churn through thick, stiff bread dough for 20 minutes without even getting warm to the touch. The bowls are significantly larger on these heavy-duty models. You can double or triple your recipes without making a huge mess all over your workspace. It is the clear choice for the person who bakes for the whole neighborhood or a very large family. It offers more control and several advanced features. It might feel a bit more complex when you first take it out of the box. However, that complexity brings a level of precision that serious bakers crave. You get a machine that feels like a piece of professional equipment from a commercial kitchen. The controls are tactile and the build quality is meant for high mileage and long hours. If you want something that looks beautiful and handles the basics with effortless ease, the stylish classic is your clear winner. It is the most popular choice globally for a reason. It fits the lifestyle of most home cooks perfectly. But if you are constantly chasing the perfect crusty sourdough loaf, you need that extra muscle. One brand is a piece of art that bakes. The other is a bakery tool that happens to live in your house. It all comes down to your personal ambition. Do you want the simplicity of a timeless design, or do you need the sheer capacity of a modern industrial workhorse? Both will serve you for many years. They are built to last and have massive loyal followings. You just have to decide if you are baking for the simple joy of the process or the raw power of production. Look at the heaviest dough you make and let that be your guide. Your future cakes and loaves will thank you for making the right call today. One choice gives you a splash of color and reliable performance. The other gives you the brute force needed for serious volume. Either way, you are upgrading your kitchen in a major way. Grab your flour and get ready to create something amazing.